In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find quality items on Shein. Shopping online can sometimes feel like a gamble, especially when you're trying to judge the quality of clothes without seeing them in person. But don't worry, with a few simple strategies, you can become a savvy Shein shopper and ensure you're only picking the best pieces. First, let's start with the reviews. Scroll down to the reviews section for each product. This is a goldmine of information. Focus on reviews that include real customer photos as they give you a true representation of how the item looks in real life. Pay attention to comments about materials, look for descriptions like thick, see-through, or soft. These details will help you assess if the fabric meets your expectations. Also, consider feedback on the fit, such as whether something runs true to size or if it tends to fit small or large. Don't forget to check the color accuracy as well. Reviews mentioning that the item looked exactly like the picture or if it appeared a shade different can be crucial. As a general rule, aim for items that have at least 4.5 stars and plenty of reviews. Next, head to the fabric description, which you can find under product details or description. Look for materials such as cotton, linen, wool, polyester blends, or satin. These fabrics tend to be higher quality. Be a bit cautious with items that list only polyester or acrylic without specific details, as they often don't hold up as well. It's also important to analyze the product photos carefully, zoom in on the stitching and fabric texture in the official photos for a closer look. Be wary of images that seem overly edited or blurry, as they might not be representative of the actual product. Compare different colors of the same item too. Sometimes the texture comes across more clearly in certain shades. Now let's discuss price versus category. If something seems exceptionally cheap, like a silk dress priced under $10, it might be too good to be true in terms of quality. Instead, check out some of Shein's premium lines, such as the Premium, MOD, or Easy collections, which typically offer better fabric and stitching. Last but not least, use filters effectively. When searching, try typing in keywords like premium collection, luxury fabric, thick material, or structured blazer. This helps narrow down your options to higher quality pieces. Additionally, try filtering by price from high to low, as more durable items tend to cost more. These strategies will enhance your online shopping experience on Shein, ensuring you find great quality items every time. Happy shopping, and see you next time!